Okay, finally getting around to painting the headers, and in doing so, it opens up a nice can of worms here. The cowl mount was always blowing out, it was rusted out, cut away. So I fabricated this guy. It's an 1/8 inch plate with an 1/8 inch strap around it. And this would go in. It's not quite 45 degrees, so it only goes in one way. And I think that's it. Yeah. You get tapped in there. So I'm going to weld that in. It would get a bushing. Right now the cowl's laying on the frame, so it's going to get welded in at this height and then jacked up. What's that, about a 1/2 inch bushing gets put in there. And I might do the other side, although it's not as bad. It's actually doing something. It's hard to see. The original is only sheet metal. It's not much. Okie dokie, more later.